हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ आवर 5 मिनट्स प्रीलिम सीरीज। और आज हम जिस टॉपिक के साथ डील करेंगे दैट इज वेरियस स्ट्रक्चरल एंड बिहेवियरल अडेप्टेशंस व्हिच आर अडॉप्टेड बाय बायोटिक ऑर्गेनिजम्स इन ऑर्डर टू सर्वाइव इन द एनवायरनमेंट। कुछ स्ट्रैटेजीज हैं जो आपको पता होनी चाहिए। वन सच स्ट्रैटेजी इज camouflage। camouflage क्या होता है? It is an adaptation strategy wherein an organism changes its body color, texture and pattern and starts resembling like the surrounding environment. Camouflage का क्या फायदा है? It makes the organism nearly invisible to the predator. So it is a survival technique. Example के तौर पे समझते हैं, this owl here is resembling like the bark of the tree. Chameleons जो होते हैं, they have special pigment cells in their body which are known as chromatophores. They change their body color and looks like the environment around them. So the predator is not able to see them very quickly. Similar to camouflage, we have another technique which is known as mimicry. मिमिक्री का क्या मतलब है? मिमिक्री का मतलब होता है किसी की नकल उतारना, right? So in camouflage, where you are resembling like the environment, in mimicry जो organisms होते हैं वो किसी दूसरे organism की तरह नकल उतारते हैं. Let's read it out. In camouflage, the organism blend with the environment, whereas in mimicry, it involves imitation of another species, appearance, sound, and behavior. I hope you are able to understand the difference between the two. Let us come to another strategy, that is aposematism. Aposematism दो शब्दों का बना हुआ है. Apo मतलब होता है away and the meaning of sematic is a sign. So in aposematism, the organism turns itself into warning coloration. अपने body के color को इस तरीके से change करता है that it looks like some poisonous or toxic being and the predator therefore does not feed on it. You can see all these animals, इनके जो color हैं, they look like a warning signal. So these distinct patterns help them to survive in the environment. Now let us understand the difference between adaptation and acclimatization. दोनों को बहुत सरल भाषा में समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. Adaptation is a long-term process for survival in nature and acclimatization is a short-term process. Let us understand both these concepts with the help of example. Adaptation के examples अगर हम discuss करें, for example, cactus. कैक्टस में स्पाइन्स होते हैं and therefore the water loss is minimal through transpiration which helps them survive in desert and arid conditions. Polar bear के पास एक thick fur है which protects themselves from cold and therefore they are able to survive in cold Arctic zones. What are all these techniques? They are adaptation techniques जो एक genetic generation से दूसरी generation में पास होता है. Whereas in acclimatization, understand this with the help of this example. एक human being है which is trying to climb a mountain. As you are going in high altitudes, जो oxygen level है वो reduce हो रहा है. So what our body does? Our body starts producing more red blood cells जिससे oxygen की supply में कोई कमी ना हो. This is acclimatization. This adaptation technique will stop as soon as the body will be returning to normal conditions. So there is a very hairline difference. Adaptation is for long term, whereas acclimatization is for short term. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in another video. Happy learning by then.